Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the font style on OPPO A60. In order to change the font that you can use on your device, the first thing that you need to do is simply go to the settings. In the settings, you want to go to display and brightness. And then over here, scroll down and go to font. Over here, you can choose one of three default fonts. So we have Roboto, OPPO Sans, and One Sans. You can also tap on more in order to find the store with more additional fonts, and you can press apply to get the one that you like the most. However, in most cases you need to create an account you need to create the OPPO account to be able to download it, and that's pretty much it. Once you proceed with the fonts, with the account, then you should be able to apply it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.